is there any signage or any new novel technology that's being used? I know Langley Park, they put up barriers, and that helped.
The SHA looks at a lot of the engineering components of that, Greg.
And speaking specifically to the pedestrian fatality at Beers Mill, and we have a push button activated flasher that alerts motorists when there is a pedestrian who uses it. The latest fatality there, the button was not pushed. So what we did, we sent out our rapid response team out on a Saturday to stop cyclists and pedestrians, to hand them literature, to tell them to use this. We did it both in English and Spanish to make folks that press the button. That will give you the opportunity to notify traffic that something is going on and they should be cautious in that area. So there's a lot of tools and techniques. Hawk signals are one that hopefully we will be able to have in our toolbox in some of these hotspot areas. But we do send our teams out to try and notify folks of issues where we have pedestrian concerns.
Thank you. That sounds very, very exciting. And if I could be of any help to reach the media, if they're Spanish-speaking radio media,